Hi friends, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another brand new and interesting video for you guys. Today in this video we will learn how to make a professional and attractive channel art for your YouTube channel. So watch this video till the end. Before getting into this interesting video, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell button down the video. So without further ado, let's get into this interesting video. Guys, the application which we will be using for making our channel art is picsart. Now I have already have this app in my phone. If you don't have, you can download it from the Google Play Store. So I will open it. Now click on this plus icon and now scroll down and click on pick canvas. Now select the 16:9 ratio, but now click on draw on photo. Okay, now here we will select our template and now you can download it from the description. The link is in the description. Okay, now click on this arrow and now click on edit image. So now we are finally in our picsart, and now we will have to understand that what this template is saying to us. Now for example, you can see that now this area is for mobile, this darkest area, and this one is for tablet view, and this is for desktop, for PC, for Windows, and the whole is for the TV. But we will have to write on this darkest area. So let's get started. As you can see that now we're in the picsart, and now we will make our channel art according to this template. Now I will click on this add photo, and I have downloaded some of the colors from the Google as I told you in the previous videos. I will select a yellow color. You can select any color, and I will adjust it on this black area. So as you can see that I have adjusted my yellow color slide on the black area. Now what I want to write, I will write on this yellow area. Okay, so now I will click on add photo, and for example I want to select my logo. Okay, so here we go. This is my logo, and I will adjust it on the top. Okay, so as you can see that I have adjusted it on the top. Okay, now I will click here, and now as you can see that I have adjusted my logo here, and now I will again click on add photos, and I want to select the green color. Okay, so I have selected the green color. Now I will scroll down and I will click on shapes, and I will select this shape, and I will give it a border of a red color which I like the most. I'll click on save, and now I will adjust it here. So you can adjust it here. Okay, so I'm done with it. Now I'll click on here. Okay, so now I want to write something here, so I will write here. Now I want to write here something related to my channel, so I will write here. Okay, so now I will select the color. I will select black color here. Now I will change the font. And now I will adjust it here, and now I can give it a stroke of white color if it is enough. Now scroll down, click on the shadow and click on blur. Decrease the amount of blur and increase the amount of opacity. Now that is looking fine. Now I will click here. Now I have downloaded some of the icons of the applications from the Google. You can also download them. So I will click on add photos, and I will select them one by one. Okay, and now I will adjust it here one by one. So now as you can see that I have adjusted here, now I will click here. Okay, and now I will again click on the photo, and I have downloaded a transparent subscribe button from the Google. You also download from the Google. So I will adjust it here. Okay, so when I'm done with it, I will click here, and now I will again click on the photo, and I have downloaded a YouTube transparent logo from the Google as well. So I will pick it and I will adjust it here. I will click here, and now I will click on the text and I will write my channel name. Okay, so I will change the color to black and I will change the font. Okay, and now I will adjust it here. Okay, so I will click here, and now I will again click on add photo, and I will pick it and I will adjust it here. You can also download it from the Google. Now everything is available on the Google. You can download transparent logo in PNG form and you can paste it here. So as you can see that now I'm done with my logo, and now I'll fill this area. So I will again click on the photo, and for example I have downloaded this, so I will click here twice and I will click on the crop and I will crop it. I will crop it this one also. Okay, and now I will adjust it on the top and on the bottom. So as you can see that now I will click again here, and now at the end I will again choose the yellow color and I will fill the rest of the area. Adjust it here. So now as you can see that our professional and attractive channel art is ready, and now we are gonna save it, and now we will click on the save and we will click on done. Okay, and now I will apply it on my channel and let's see how it looks. So guys, finally I have changed my channel art, and now let's see how it looks. So I will open my YouTube and I will open my channel and let's see how it looks. Oh my god, it's looking very amazing. It is giving a very much professional look, as you can see that. So this is how you can make your professional and attractive channel art from mobile phone.